How to transform your body in 6 months. Workout and diet plan. 1. Set clear, specific goals from day 1. Before lifting a single weight or cutting a single calorie, define your transformation goals with laser focus. Are you aiming to lose fat, build muscle, or completely reshape your physique? Quantify your goals. Lose 20 pounds, gain 10 pounds of muscle, or drop to 12% body fat. Break the 6-month timeline into smaller milestones. Monthly targets help you stay motivated and make consistent adjustments. Visualization and written affirmations also play a role here. The more vivid and measurable your goals, the more likely you are to push through plateaus. 2. Master your nutrition strategy. Early diet makes or breaks any transformation. For fat loss, calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and create a calorie deficit of 300 to 500 calories daily. For muscle gain, aim for a 200 to 300 calorie surplus. Macros matter. Prioritize protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight, healthy fats, 20 to 30% of total intake, and complex carbs. Plan meals weekly, prep in advance, and eliminate trigger foods. A sustainable 80-20 approach, 80% clean eating, 20% flexible, can keep you consistent without burnout. Don't rely on guesswork. Track everything with apps like MyFitnessPal. 3. Follow a periodized training program. Consistency matters, but structured programming is what truly transforms. Use a proven periodized workout plan that evolves over time. Start with hypertrophy, higher reps, moderate weight, for muscle building in phase 1. Then shift to strength-focused workouts, lower reps, heavier weights, in phase 2. In the final 2 months, integrate metabolic conditioning for fat loss. Prioritize compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. These target multiple muscle groups and accelerate change. Track your lifts, progressively overload, and avoid program hopping. 4. Don't skip cardio. Use it strategically. Cardio isn't just for fat loss, it improves endurance, heart health, and recovery. Begin with 2 to 3 sessions per week of moderate intensity steady state, like 30-minute walks or cycling. As your fitness improves or weight loss slows, increase frequency or intensity with HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Fasted morning cardio works for some, while others perform better post-workout. The key is consistency and balance. Don't let cardio sap your energy for weightlifting. Combine aerobic and anaerobic efforts to maximize results without overtraining. 5. Supplement. Smartly. Don't overdo. Its supplements won't replace hard work, but the right ones can fill nutritional gaps. A quality whey protein isolate helps hit daily protein goals efficiently. Creatine monohydrate improves strength, endurance, and recovery. One of the most studied and effective supplements. Omega-3s support joints and cardiovascular health. Vitamin D3 and magnesium can improve sleep and hormone balance. Pre-workouts provide energy, but use them selectively. Don't get caught in the marketing hype. Stick to the essentials. Always prioritize real food over powders and pills. 6. Optimize recovery for maximum growth. Muscle grows outside the gym. Train hard, but recover harder. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. This is when your body releases growth hormone and repairs tissues. Use active recovery techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and light cardio. Schedule rest days intentionally. Overtraining leads to injury and regression. Consider monthly deload weeks to allow nervous system recovery. If you're always sore, tired, or irritable, it's a sign to pull back and let your body heal. Transformation requires smart pacing, not just intensity. 7. Track everything. Metrics drive progress. What gets measured gets improved. Track your workouts, weights lifted, reps completed, rest times. Monitor your weight, measurements, and body fat percentage weekly, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Use progress photos taken under consistent lighting and angles every 4 weeks. Journal your energy levels, mood, and sleep. These metrics provide invaluable insight into what's working and what needs adjusting. Over time, this data-driven approach makes your transformation far more precise and successful. 8. Build a morning and evening routine. The most successful transformations involve more than diet and workouts. They're about lifestyle. A consistent morning routine, waking up at the same time, hydration, quick mobility stretches, mindset journaling, sets the tone for the day. Likewise, a wind-down routine, no screens before bed, meditation, magnesium tea, reading, ensures quality sleep and recovery. These habits reduce stress, improve hormone balance, and enhance discipline, crucial factors for long-term success. Your transformation doesn't just happen in the gym, it's shaped in your daily rituals. 9. Build a support system and accountability plan. Trying to transform alone? That's a recipe for inconsistency. Whether it's a gym partner, coach, online forum, or fitness app community, support amplifies your results. Share your goals publicly. Social pressure helps keep you accountable. Hire a trainer if your budget allows, or find a mentor with similar goals. Weekly check-ins with someone keep motivation high. Celebrate wins, even small ones. Having people in your corner during tough times can mean the difference between pushing through or quitting early. 10. Adapt, overcome, and stay mentally unbreakable. Expect setbacks, injuries, plateaus, cravings, low motivation. But how you respond determines your transformation's outcome. Mental toughness is key. Cultivate discipline over motivation. When results stall, tweak your training or nutrition. Don't quit. When you miss a workout or overeat, reset immediately without guilt. Visualization, goal reaffirmation, and gratitude journaling help stay grounded. The 6-month journey is as much mental as physical. Confidence will grow, but only if you embrace discomfort. You'll not only transform your body, you'll evolve your mindset, self-belief, and resilience. If you're serious about transforming your body in just 6 months, it starts today, not tomorrow. You now have the roadmap, specific goals, smart training, dialed-in nutrition, recovery, and an unbreakable mindset. Stick with it, trust the process, and don't be afraid to fail forward. Your body will change, but so will your mind, habits, and lifestyle. Ready to rise? Then hit that like button. Subscribe for more life-changing fitness content and share this with someone who's ready to level up. Your transformation begins now.